When you decide to stop chasing a girl, everything changes completely. Suddenly, you're no longer loyal, not calling, and just not trying to talk to her. But what does she feel when she sees this change? Today, we'll discuss it, bro. Okay, let's get straight to the point. Let's find out what happens to a guy when he stops trying to win a girl's heart. What goes through his mind when he feels this shift in behavior? And how does he react to this new situation? Get ready to uncover these mysteries, bro. Point 1. Loneliness takes over. In the first few days after you've gone, if the girl truly cares about you, she will start to feel an overwhelming emptiness. She's used to your presence, your efforts to get her attention, and the moments you shared. Laughing, deep conversations, or even just enjoying the silence together. But suddenly, you disappear without a trace. She's left with uncertainty, facing the emptiness caused by your sudden absence. Most likely, she'll try to reach out to you, trying to figure out what happened and expressing her desire for you to come back. But hours seem to pass with no answer. Her heart races with anxiety, her mind filled with a storm of thoughts and fear about what might have happened to you. She looks back at your old messages, remembering every moment to search for clues that could explain your sudden departure. Of course, some girls might just seek an answer out of curiosity, not because of genuine interest, but it's easy to tell the difference. A girl who misses you will show her feelings, while the curious one will only try to gather information without showing any care or affection. The nights become long and restless, full of emptiness that only your presence could fill. Every shadow, every reflection in the window makes her heart jump with hope of seeing you again, but the harsh reality of your absence remains. Point 2. She uses tactics. After being overwhelmed by discomfort, she doesn't sit idly by, bro. She will start a series of tests. She wants to know what you're doing, if there's another girl in your life, or if you've lost interest in her. She throws out some bait, either through seemingly innocent questions or by trying to get close to you again, showing affection and interest. But behind this calm appearance, there's a storm of emotions raging, torn between hoping things will go back to normal and fearing that her suspicions will be confirmed. Every move you make is carefully analyzed, and every word scrutinized to find signs of betrayal or disinterest. At this stage, it's important to be cautious, bro, because this is when a guy can be swayed by her charm and ruin everything. The temptation to give in to her requests is strong, especially when her eyes show the pain of your absence. However, rejecting her is crucial. It's important to maintain your dignity and self-respect. If you've decided to distance yourself and stop chasing her, stick to your decision firmly and don't give in. Unless she shows that she truly deserves your affection, she is the best judge in this situation, and it's important to let her act while you observe her actions carefully. After regaining your attention, she might start to undervalue you again. Therefore, bro, you need to wait, take your time, and observe how she treats you, because it may be better to maintain your dignity and self-respect than to give in to a relationship based on manipulation and emotional games. Point 3. She watches you from afar. In some situations, the girl may not communicate directly or clarify what happened. Instead, she chooses to observe you from a distance, either through social media or by frequently visiting places you go. She may decide not to text or call, opting to quietly observe and draw her own conclusions. She will analyze every post you make, every photo, trying to decipher the signals that could reveal what's happening in your life and heart. Every comment will be interpreted with almost obsessive intensity, searching for clues that confirm or counter her suspicions. Usually, She'll start interacting with your posts or photos on social media to indirectly show her interest. She might also try to provoke you by posting subtle messages on your status or posts. Sometimes she even gets involved in some kind of competition, with you dropping hints and staying close but without taking the next step to make direct contact. In this situation, the best attitude is to stick to your position. Don't chase her, bro, because that can complicate everything. Patience is needed to let things resolve themselves without giving in to the temptation of starting contact that could be misinterpreted. In this quiet moment, observe her true feelings and intentions, which may eventually be revealed. Point 4. She shows indifference. Stopping the chase doesn't always bring her back to you. It's very important to understand that there are many possibilities at play, and one of them is that the girl simply isn't interested in you and doesn't care about your absence. Don't create the illusion that distancing yourself will guarantee she comes back. If she doesn't have a genuine interest, she won't show any affection or attention toward you. This is a clear sign that it's no longer worth investing more energy into this one-sided relationship. Respect yourself enough to realize when it's time to move on and find someone who truly values your presence. Don't let a girl play with your feelings, belittle you, step on you, and treat you as if you don't matter. You deserve to be treated with dignity and respect in any relationship. Always remember to respect yourself and seek relationships based on mutual respect and reciprocity. Don't settle for anything less than what you truly deserve. Hope this video provides clarity and insight into understanding the complexities of relationships. It's important to remember that each situation is unique and requires a careful and sensitive approach. Don't let yourself be belittled or dismissed by those who don't recognize your worth. Respect yourself and build relationships based on mutual respect and reciprocity. Best regards, bro. Stay strong.